Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can remove object in Darktable. So let's go and do that. Now head over here on the right side in Darktable tab, then here, select here this one, the correct tab, and then you will see here retouch tools. Now you will see here also that you have shapes, so you have circle, ellipse, path, brush, and shapes on the current scale. Then we have some modules or algorithm basically. So we have hill right here. Then we have clone, fill, and blur. Now, how we can remove an object? So we will select a tool, and let's say we will choose a shape, a circle like that from the module's header. Now define the target, click or draw over the object you want to remove. So let's go and remove, okay, let's maybe remove this tire right here. I will do it something like that. Just a moment, I will do it again. Like that, okay. Now I will select circle here, and then I will define this tire right over here, and I will move maybe here, that we will see what is going on. Now set the source relative model. So right here you will see here you can move this, and with that you can add source here now that you will see on the tire. Now if you want to lock the source to one specific spot on the image, you can press Ctrl Shift and click, and this will lock your pick right here. Now what you can do, use the mouse wheel to change the shape, size, or shift or size. You can also use Shift plus wheel to adjust on the mouse, so to adjust feathering for a smoother brand. So you can do that like that, as you can see, or we can shape a little bit with that right here. We can play now a little bit with that. Now what we can also do is decide what we are going to do with that. So we can also fill this. It doesn't matter that we want to delete something. So yeah. So to remove more advanced or more complex thing on the image, you will use this valvelet decomposition within this retouch tool. So you will see here valvelet decompose. So the model breaks the image into multiple detail layers, scales from fine texture to coarse color. You can remove a blemish on a coarse layer. You can fix the color without affecting the fine skin texture on a fine layer. So yeah, this is how you can remove objects or change objects in Darktable. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next